Hello ladies, this is the condition on a majority of sachets that come back to us. We spend various amounts of hours scratching the clicks back into place. We are now wanting yourselves to return the stock to us in the condition that it is sent in. Cara will now do a demonstration on how to put the threads back into place. Over to you, Cara.
Right, what you need to do is gently scratch at the loose threads, moving them in the direction that's opposite to the way that they've been pushed. Sometimes you have to make things worse before they'll get better. If you do it on a hard surface, the threads move a lot more easily. Sorry. It doesn't take too long to get them down. Some sashes you need to be gentle, and with others they need quite a hard push. Colours such as this burgundy are quite easy to move, so just a little gentle push should put them back into place.
At the moment we are spending that much time on the sachets and putting the threads back into place. The actual amount of hours is not worth the costing of the sash. We are now wanting this to be done before it is returned back to us, as any excess time spent repairing the sachets will be recharged back to yourselves. We fully understand that you cannot get all the clicks out of the sachets. Certain areas of the sash are quite acceptable, which are generally hidden within the bow, as we will still recheck every sash that comes back and try and rectify what you've been unable to do. As you can see, that area only took a couple of minutes to rectify. So all you need is a nice good clean hard surface and a good scratching finger. Thank you ladies.